Kabatcher, April, May is a deadline for Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. You know what? Kailangan talaga iba na yung mga news na yan. Messenger, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, para matigil ang ating show. You know what? Something longer to win will have to the world war and over the world to blame. Ako hindi rin ako titigil kakangawa dito at kakadaldal hanggat hindi ako binaban at tinatanggal ng mga platform CEO. Sa YouTube, sa Facebook, para hindi na ako makagamit ng online. Ako yung sawan-sawa na rin at pagod na. Gusto ko na rin ng pahinga. Kung hindi naman kayo nakikinig sa akin at susunod sa akin at sinutos ko, may magkanya-kanya na tayo. You know what, old men, politics leader, happened the world for this problem in the beginning. Understood, this is your order for our flop prime. World War III na. Ay, yung mga fake action nyo, itigil nyo na yan. Magpakamatay na lang kayo because you're losing for hurt, for hollowing, and other people believe kind words. Always liar. Okay? Bukas iba na yan. Mahilig sila magpanggap kasi because destroyed were other. Kaya magpapanggap sila para like predator. Umiikot yung ganun mata mo. Binabala ka pero you're just going pitfall and I think we attack them in color. You're such a bit pathetic about your soul and power, money, and hungry. This is my YouTube channel. Follow me and subscribe. Thank you, bitch.